A group of 41 grade 7 students was asked whether they use either Facebook or Twitter or both. 28 of these students used Facebook and 21 used Twitter. How many use Facebook only? How many use Twitter only? How many use Facebook and Twitter? To solve a problem like this, a Venn diagram is really a great tool. Let us discuss how to construct a Venn diagram, a two-set Venn diagram. After reading and analyzing the problem, take note of the given. 41 students, 28 Facebook users, 21 use Twitter. Remember, in a two-set Venn diagram, we have a total of 4 regions. We have to fill in these regions. Now, if we add 28 and 21, the two given numbers in our problem, we get 49. 49 do not match with our total of 41 students. In this case, there are students who use both FB and Twitter. To know the number of students who use Facebook and Twitter, subtract 49 and 41. Then place this in the intersection of the two circles. Now we have fill in the region 1. Next, refer to the second given. 28 use Facebook. So in the Facebook circle, there is 8 already. Now, to make it 28, what must be added to 8 to get 28? Correct. It is 20, or simply subtract 28 and 8. Now, next given, 21 use Twitter. So, 21 minus 8 is equal to 30. Now, let us check if these numbers will add to 41. So, since its total is 41, then in region 4, there is no need to fill in region 4 because the total is already 41. So, our Venn diagram is complete. So, we may now answer the questions. How many use Facebook only? How many use Twitter only? How many use both Facebook and Twitter? A group of 50 grade 7 students was asked whether they use either Facebook or Twitter. 28 of these students use Facebook, 21 use Twitter, and there are 8 users of both Facebook and Twitter. Remember, in a two-set diagram, this is the region 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have to fill in first the region 1. So what is the keyword for the region 1? The keywords are both and. So we have here 8 users of both Facebook and Twitter. So we will place 8 in the region 1, in the intersection of the two sets. Now let us have the second to the last statement. 21 use Twitter only. So 21 use Twitter only. So we will subtract 21 by 8. We will get 13. Next, 28 use Facebook only. So 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. So that's it. So the total minus 8. The total minus 8. 20. Now next is to add these three numbers. Let's see if we will get the total of 50. So it's not yet 50. It is only 41. So what should be the next step? So use the given 50. 50 minus 41 is equal to 9. Where are you going to place that 9? Place that 9 in region 4 or outside the circles. So the Venn diagram is now complete. Let us check by adding all these numbers. We will get 50. So it has been checked. Now we can now answer the questions. How many students use Facebook only? Facebook only is in region 2, 20. How many use Twitter only? It's 13. How many students neither use Facebook or Twitter? It's 9 on region 4. I hope all is clear to you.